We'll guide you through how to log into multiple Gmail accounts on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's common to go and have multiple Gmail accounts, and what you want to do is go and add them, so you can then go and check them, and you can go and send emails from them. For example, you may go and have a personal one, a work one, a business one, and of course they've all got different uses for different people depending upon who you're trying to go and communicate with. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and add them. Make sure it's this full guide, don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. So what you can do is you can come onto Gmail as we already are. Now what you want to do is come to the top right and you can go and click on your profile icon. This opens up. Now what you want to do is go and find the option for add account. If you already have another one added, you need to press the expand the switch accounts and show accounts to view them, and then you'll see the option for add account. Now type in the email or phone. So I'll type in the email like so, and then we can go and press next. And what you'll need to do is go and enter in the password, and you can then go and press next in the bottom right. And as you can see, we're now logging in. We've now successfully signed in, and I can go and check the inbox for this email. But now what I want to do is be able to go and switch back. So to do that, you go and click your profile icon in the top right, and you can go and expand, show more accounts, and you can then go and see the account here. Of course, you can press add another. I just want to switch back.